Today we are doing a follow-up video from the previous one. The previous one we talked about Lyra and we did an in-depth guide on how Lyra works, kind of some of the things around it. Lyra, for those of you who don't know, is an on-chain options platform. It's built on Arbitrum and Optimism, and today what I wanted to do is just kind of go on screen and show you exactly how to buy or sell options. So it's very simple. It's going to be a quick video today. All we need to do is head to Lyra Finance. I'll leave a link to this in the description below. Connect your wallet and just click start trading. And it's very simple because at the moment they don't have too many assets that they support, but they have the key ones, of course. So for example, on Arbitrum they have Ethereum, and if you wanted to switch over to Optimism, they have Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now it's pretty simple. We'll go to Arbitrum and we'll have the simple interface. If you want, you can have the advanced interface as well, which is kind of more like your traditional option market. That you can see your bids and your asks. So yeah, it's pretty easy to see, but for today's purpose we'll just stick with the simple option. And it's as simple. There's four options. You can buy a call option, you can buy a put option, and you can sell a call option and sell a put option. So you've got those four options, and then you've got all different expiries here. So at the moment we've got a kind of weekly options here going up 4 weeks in advance. So it's pretty simple. We just have to select the time frame. So for example, February 24th, and then we'll be able to see, or if we're going to buy a call option, that is, we can see all the different strike prices available, the implied volatility, the prices, and if you click on one, you can see your Greeks here as well, your delta, your vega, your gamma. All of these things, of course, are important to be aware of. Of course, Lyra does a good job of hedging gamma, hedging vega, but of course you've got delta as well to consider. And so yeah, you can just pretty much choose which kind of options work well for you. For example, if you wanted to buy a call option for Ethereum, perhaps you wanted to buy this one with a strike price of 1600. Break-even price means, because of the cost of the actual option itself, your break-even price is $1,719, $1,719. So yeah, you can see in this wallet I don't have enough USDC for it at the moment, but yeah, all you do is click it. So let's pick this one, for example. So 1650 strike price, with an implied volatility of 63%, which means if we want to break even, we need Ethereum to hit 1735, and essentially our maximum profit is unlimited, and break-even price is 1735, and anything below that, then we're in trouble. So you can see here that if Ethereum was to go down to like $1,000, we're going to lose $85 being the cost of the contract, and that's the same throughout up until that break-even point, which is 1735. Let's see if I can get it. It's around there. So and then unlimited profit if Ethereum goes up higher than that. So all you have to do is click buy. We've got to just confirm the transaction, and that's it. Yeah, you'll be able to see your positions opened over here, and that's essentially the premise of how to buy a call option. And the same goes for kind of the put options, and as well as selling. Now when you are selling, whether you're selling a call or whether you're selling a put, it's a little bit different here. And the reason why it's a little bit different is because, let's say if I click this one, so we're selling this option, and the premium here is of course like around $9, which means the maximum profit that we can make here is $8.93 because we're selling a call option. However, our maximum loss is basically everything that we put in. Now we do have to put in some collateral, and you can see here you can set this with USDC, the minimum collateral for this particular contract being $420, and the more kind of collateral you put in, the kind of better your liquidation price is. So yeah, that can definitely help, but ultimately yes, if you're selling call options, you have to be careful, because yeah, your maximum profit is unlimited. So you really want to do this with kind of safety, and your maximum loss, is unlimited. Your maximum profit is of course the premium that we have here. So yeah, you can choose a variety of different options here, but again, remember you got to provide USDC as collateral when you're selling call or puts. Everything else is pretty much the same in terms of you just select an expiry and then choose the correct or choose whichever one suits you best. I think sometimes it's important to just have a look and see kind of what Optimism offers. So if we have a look at the buy and call options here, expiring tomorrow, well, we can see here like the price is $45.67 on Optimism, but if we go to Arbitrum, it's a couple of dollars more expensive. So definitely just have a look, and that might be because there's variability in the prices of Ethereum on both networks, or whether it's due to SUSD rather than USDC, and that's because on Optimism they are using SUSD, synthetic USD. You can see here SUSD, whereas on Arbitrum we are using, if this loads, USDC. So if I just go to sell, yeah, look, we're using USDC here. So that's essentially it, really. It's quite simple to use, it's quite easy to use. It's nice that we've got these graphs over here on the side that can kind of tell us how much we're going to make. So for example, if I buy a call option, we can see here, look, this is exactly how much you're going to make per contract depending on whatever the price is, and then of course you've got your maximum loss here as well. I think this is really nice, and I do like these kind of features. You know, I think if I'm looking to buy an option 2 weeks away, you know, perhaps I want to buy this one. Again, look, I just like how easy it is to do, and just I think it's a very nice interface. You can see, well, a nice thing is kind of seeing your balance beforehand, and then kind of seeing what your balance will be after, because you might want to buy 10 contracts or 100 contracts, and again you can kind of see how the charts adjust based on that as well. So that's pretty much it, really, in terms of how to buy or sell how to buy or sell options on Lyra. Remember that on the Optimism network we also have Bitcoin as well, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to know more about how Lyra works, kind of behind the scenes, where does the liquidity come from, all of that sort of stuff, then let me know, I can make a video. But essentially we've got these different vaults here where liquidity can be supplied. You can see the ETH vaults, Arbitrum and Optimism, and then Bitcoin, and you can see the TVL here, some of the rewards that you can get for providing liquidity there as well. So that's pretty much it, just a quick video covering Lyra, how to use it, how to buy and sell options there. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and we might have some more videos on Lyra, especially given that they've got a grants competition at the moment, and something that I would like to take advantage of. So please support me if you found this useful in any way, shape or form. Again, drop a comment down below and stay tuned for more videos soon.